Thank you so much.
How are you?
We'll Google for Kalepache.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm making the best Kalepache for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Awesome. 3 times Kalepache.
Every day.
Every day, 3 times. Oh,
Exactly.
awesome.
How about you? Everything okay?
Yeah, we coming for a long drive to
Okay.
come here to try Kalepache. Persian traditional food.
That's
Yeah?
the best place for you. I got the best service. I'd like to come back again.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So can I go together and we cook for Kalepache?
Yes? Why not?
Thank you. Now we're going to with Mr. Mosan inside the kitchen and try Kalepache.
And somebody recommended the new found it for me. Yeah, online.
I Google it. I Google the best Persian Kalepache in Los Angeles.
Oh,
Full of Mosan. Mr. Mosan, yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Take care. Thank you so
I'll
much.
try to take best service for you guys.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You want some stuff with the tea or the Kalepache?
Tea with Kalepache. Together.
Very good.
Yeah.
Let me get the one set.
Okay.
این الان دیگه آماده خوردن شده. یه پرس کلپاچه حلاله با متریال نیوزیلند 100% حلال و این تهیه کردن این کلپاچه واقعا اگر که میخوایی کوالیتی خوب دستی ما رو بدی وقتی زیادی رو باید بزنیم ما هر این متریال رو در آب سرد همین که گرم می‌زنیم تا 10 می‌خواییم almost 20 hours.
Full power, yeah.
After flowing, همین آقا دوباره خالی میشه تمام خونه‌ای که شما میاد بیرون قسمت آب بیرون میاد روی گاز وقتی که آماده شد قسمت آب دوباره خالی میشه از اول برای خوب جدید یعنی تو برای هیچ خونه ناخالصی توش نیست همه چیز بسیار تمیز و مستقیم
The meat, the leg inside the water after 20 hours they put it pick up back and there's a lot of work on that.
همین صورت سرو میکنیم برای کاستومر
Look at the daisy, wow!
Look at the color.
Look at the color.
I swear to God. Every another day.
Okay.
برای همین الان 20 سال اینجا تو ماندگار شده. همه رستوران دیگه بالای 5 یا مد 10 سال رو میتونن تحمل کنن. ولی وقتی شما 20 سال موندی یعنی مشتری که داری همه رو راضی نگه داری. همه برگشتن و کار تونستی اینجا ماندگار. دلیل این بود.
That's my talking.
سعی می‌کنیم اینه که فقط مشتری راضی باشه. همه برنامه اینه که ما شما نه توی روزنامه نه توی تلویزیون نه توی رادیو هیچ تبلیغ نداریم. تمام مشتری‌ها برای ما تبلیغ کردن شما میرید فامیل خود میارید فامیل شما دوستتون میارن همینجوری رستوران اینجوری مشتریاتون پیدا کردید.
Which city you are from in Iran? Which city?
تهران.
Tehran.
تهران.
It's بچه تهران است. بچه تهران. Okay.
اوریجینالی به دنیا آماده نتنز هستیم یه جای خیلی کلاسیک و شیک و تمیز یعنی از عکسی که بیرون میتون نشون میدم الان ولی بعد از اون میگه بزرگتره تهران
بزرگتره تهران
نمیدونی بعدم پیتر از آمریکا در اون
So the time now we go outside and we waiting for start the testing the food how the Muslim cook for us. Let's go outside and we try to cook the food. How about the picture? Okay.
And second, this is my kitchen. For all electricity in California. واقعا یعنی ایشون هر چیزی دیگه از ایشون ما گرفته.
Yeah. Probably if people see this video in Iran or any other country, probably the people, a lot of people know this person to serve a lot of food for people, yeah? When they are back home.
Wow.
Awesome.
الان ما دیگه تقریبا بیشتر 50 ساله است.
50
30 سالش برای خودمون 30 سالم برای پدر مادر.
Yeah, definitely. So, now we go outside and try this food. And thank you so much. Awesome.
برای استارت قبل از کله‌پاچه این چایی رو خیلی لازم داریم که به قول معروف آماده شیم برای خوردن کله‌پاچه.
Thank you so much. Look at the black tea. Before you start eating Kalepache, you need to drink a cup of black tea. Okay. And what's this?
Lemon juice.
Lemon. Okay. 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 How are you doing?
We're doing fine. Thank you
Everything
for
is
asking.
okay?
Thank you. Thank you for asking. Thank you.
You guys also waiting for Kalepache?
Oh, yes, we're waiting for Kalepache.
Okay. Okay. You're a regular customer here?
Regular customer. I've been coming here for the last 20 years.
Last 20 years, the same place every day.
Well, not every day. You know, often, but not every day.
Okay, but
Now that I retired, I just retired 4 months ago. So I'm
Okay.
here every, like every day.
okay. And it's traditional. When you come here, you feel back home, yeah?
I feel like at home.
Yeah.
It makes me feel comfortable.
Yeah.
And I'm around beautiful people here.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a lot of interesting people coming over and trying different food every day, obviously, but
Okay.
Kalepache is my favorite.
Oh my God. Awesome. Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
very
it.
welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
اصلی معنیمونده که آماده شد برای سرویس.
Awesome.
یه وان.
Look at the Kalepache. Let's try some soup. Wow. So delicious. Awesome. Definitely you need to have some black pepper. And lemon. Also you need onion. Bah. Look at the bread. Fresh bread. Wow.
اون کامل دیگه این سرویس کله‌پاچه میشه خودش پیاز، لیمو، نون تازه و سس شماها.
Thank you so much. Thanks for everything. So delicious. It's tacky, sticky. The meat is so soft. Well done. is 100% halal meat, halal dishes, halal certified right here. Also, could you tell me the address of people looking for you guys?
My address is 6030 Reseda Boulevard,
Okay.
Tarzana, California 91356.
Awesome. Also, I gonna put address of this restaurant and the below description of this video. If you guys are interested or you are travel in Los Angeles or you are living in Los Angeles but you don't know about the unique restaurant, just check the below the video, just complete address and come Google it, come enjoy delicious Persian food. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Mr.
so much.
Musa.
Thank
Thanks
you for coming
everything.
anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
It was amazing day with Mr. Mohsen.